for the seller who are
Mhm.
watching right now, what are the three signs in their ad account that show they are not ready to scale yet?
First thing, wasted ad spend. Defining
Mm.
wasted means that it's not aligned anymore with the strategy. If you created a campaign 5 years ago, the campaign is still running, even if it's spending $1, probably have more than one campaign that is doing the same thing, and it's going to end up in spend that is inefficient. So that is something that we consider wasted. That is the first thing that I would just step back, take the last 30 days performance and see, does my ad spend in things that don't work add up? It's above 50%, because that's clear. Those are the first things that you would be just pause them. If it's 10 to 20%, I would say it's still good. That's still, it's okay for you. You just are going to build up on optimizing those first. So that is on the ad spend portion. The second thing is going to be listings and understanding that listings do have an impact on whoever you're selling to. Again, brand owners are not marketers. They might be good salespeople, but they are not marketers. And they consider just because they are the smartest, the best, and so on. So do they consider marketing should work for them, So marketing has a cost, either through word of mouth, which is your time invested in networking, either to you're paying someone or something to promote you. So this is why I'm saying that if you don't understand that, no matter what you're going to do, the product, if it's not good enough and if it's persuasive enough, you're never going to have a competitive advantage. So advertising first and then the product. And then the third thing is going to be really inventory and understanding, if you want to scale, how to work your way backwards to achieve that goal, and what is realistic and what is not. Clear example, last week with someone who I would like to call them the ideal business that I like to partner up with. They are business people, they are rational and not emotional. And I prefer that because rational means that I have clear numbers. I know exactly where am I. Yes, I'm doing right now 20,000, but last month I did 30,000, or last year I did 70,000. This is what happened. So someone who is understanding my question, her question was like, hey, I'm growing your account 5 to 10%. Are you okay with that? And she's like, no. Love it. Okay, so you know what you want. Most people don't know what they want, So this is more on the operational side rather than the ads and the listing. So if the operator knows what they want, I'm like, I'm ready for you. All right. So this means that we're going to increase the ad budget at least by 50% because already your listings are looking good, works good, everything is fine. We're just increasing spend. And based on that, we will know exactly, hey, if you want to hit that goal, this is how quickly we can hit it in the best case scenario. Now, in the worst case scenario, it would be instead of 3 months, it's 4 months or 5 months, but just because of unknowns that we couldn't foresee, Amazon just changed the rule and the listing is down and spend and all the small things that are happening. It's not within my control. However, I'm going to adjust my needs and business towards it. So that's why I'm saying that these are the most important 3 pillars that I'm seeing sellers should be aware of if they want to become the next biggest brand, if they have the drive. These are the steps that you are taking now. I get it. Now, how do I adjust systems? Because it's a system issue.